Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my spring FabFitFun unboxing. So first of all, can we talk about the look of this box? It is so cute. Like, it's got little cactuses all over it, and I love cactuses. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with them. And yeah, I'm loving the color yellow recently as well, so I just love this box. But let's just open it up. I haven't even looked in this. I've had it for like a week, and it's just been sitting in my room. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. I think this is my favorite box, like the look of it, that I've got. And I've got quite a few. FabFitFun. Alright, so here's my little, what's it called? My magazine. That's the word. Alright, let me get to the page I need. What's in the box? Alright, so this box is total, depending on my selection, varies between $226.99 to $314. So yeah, let's just find out. Of course, you get your little gift card here. It comes in just about every box. Ooh, oh, mine's got all mixed up. I dropped it the other day when I was moving it from my kitchen counter to my room. I dropped it, and everything's like got shooken up in here. All right, I'm gonna set this on the floor so I can have my hands a little easier. Let's start with this. Someone told me how to pronounce this once, and I think it's pronounced way. I don't know how to say that, but I think that's how they told me to pronounce it. And it's the leave-in conditioner. And this retails for $26. And this was in every box. So these three things here with it, which I'll get to those in a second, are in every single box, and everything else varies. So got that. I'm excited about that because I've been needing a leave-in conditioner. Since I dyed my hair red, my hair's been so fried, and it's the color we used. It's a long story. But yeah, I've been using a lot of conditioning masks and stuff, so that should help a lot. Alright, so this is one of the all members, and we get a pick between 4 things. So there was 2 different sunglasses, and then there was a picnic set and a sleeping facial mask. And I got one of the sunglasses, and it's the Quay. It's Q-U-A-Y, Australia. And the sunglasses are My Girl, and it's in the black/smoke. What is this? Oh, it comes with like instructions or something. Okay. Maybe. Oh, mine busted through the bag. That's why it wants to be weird. Okay. There we go. So then we'll take all this off, and I'll try them on for you guys. And did I say what they vary for, or the pricing of them? These are priced for $55. I really like the look of these. Oh my gosh, they look really cool. I have a hair. Hold on. Oh gosh. Okay. I love these. They're like a little cat eye shaped. I can't even remember what I chose because I remember when I got the email about choosing, I wanted to do it super quick, and I had to clock in at work in like 2 minutes. So I brought the email up super fast when I was standing in the office. And I selected the items real quick, and my friend Jess, who's my coworker, she was sitting at the desk, and she was looking at me like I was crazy, because I'm like, should I get this or this? And she's like, I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, I picked out these, I guess. I really like them, though. I made a good choice. This will actually be really good, because I need some sunglasses for, like, the pool, because I have my prescription sunglasses, which go with, like, my glasses prescription. But I don't like taking them in the pool because they told me the chlorine could affect them somehow. I have to get special lenses, so They told me the like chlorine in the water could possibly affect the framing and stuff like that. It's, I don't know, it was confusing when she told me. But, yeah. So I can wear those in the pool. Alright, let's see. The next thing I have is, what are you? This is a necklace, and only select members got to choose. I don't remember choosing one of these, so I guess I wasn't one of those select members. But I received the brand is the Two Bandits Athens necklace, and this retails for $30. And I'm going to take it out of the package. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and like delicate. It's got a little like iridescent little charm on it. Hold still, little dude. I love it. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but like holidays and stuff, I like to put on like a nice necklace and some earrings or something. Alright. So then, for the other select members only, I received the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser, and this retails for $28. I love the color of the bottle. And this is a huge bottle. 6.7 fluid ounces. How much was this one that I got the other day? It's a 5. So, I mean, comparing the two, this looks so much bigger. Like, wow. Okay. I got this one for my Pop Sugar box, which I'll leave a little iCard for. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. Smells nice. I have got so many face cleansers in the past couple weeks in my little unboxing things. I'm not going to have to buy any forever. But yeah. Alright, let's see what's next. What are you? Oh, this is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And this retails for $42. And I have tried this before. I received this in one of my, I want to say it was my BoxyCharm that I got one of these. I know I have at least one, if not two, of them. Sorry, my camera's backwards, but yeah. I do really like this. I've only tried it a couple times, but it's a really nice product. My voice is really croaky today. I don't know what's going on. I hope I'm not getting sick again. I just got over pneumonia and I don't want anything else. My hair's being crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look neat. Oh, I'm excited about this. I remember picking this. So, I had the option between a diffuser, a backpack, and a robe. And I picked the robe. It's the Show Me Your Mew Mew is the brand. And it's the Garden of Blooms Brie robe. And I'm not going to take it fully out, but it's got a really pretty like floral design on it. I picked the robe because I remember picking this one. The robe I have is like really heavy and like for winter and everything. And I was just wanting, I like wearing my robes in the morning when I get up, like over my pajamas. And I just wanted something like lighter weight and just really springy and for summer and stuff. So that's why I picked this, and I was really excited about that. So, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me one morning, or like my morning routine, so you'll probably be seeing it in one of those. Alright, so then I only have 2 more items left. So this is the last thing that everyone got in every single box, and it's the, what is it? Oh, the Manna Kadar, I probably butchered that, I'm sorry, Champagne Body Scrub, and this retails for $24, and it's supposed to help relax you, I guess. The bottle looks stunning. I love the lid. It's like a pinky rose gold. I don't know if I can smell it through the thing. I don't want to open it. No, I can't really smell it, but it looks really cool. It's like a gray color, like a grayish black. It's coming off more black on camera, but it's like a gray in person. But it looks super cool, and I'm excited to try it out. I don't want to open it right now because I have a couple of scrubs already open, and I want to use those up before I open anything else. And the last thing I got must have been the mystery item between this last little choosing thing. Yeah, that's what I chose because it was a lotion, and I already have so much lotion, and then there's measuring spoons, which I didn't necessarily need. So I picked the mystery item, and it retails for $20 plus. It could be a palette body cream or a trigger ball. It's just a mystery, like you don't know. And I got a, what is this? It's from the brand Laboratories, and it says chlorine. Oh, it's a mask. Nutri-reparative mask with desert date for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. Oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing for my hair. It smells fantastic. Like, it smells super earthy, and like, it's got kind of a warm scent, like a spice scent a little bit, but really earthy and clean as well. I'm excited to try that out in my hair because my hair is completely fried from this last color. But like I said, that's a different story for a different time. But I'm not going to add this all up right now. I normally don't, so I just don't feel like it right now. But yeah, that's everything that I received. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you want to see more of these unboxings, then please subscribe. I upload this, the FabFitFun, quarterly, because I get it I get it 4 times a year. I can't speak, but it comes spring, summer, winter, fall. That was the wrong order. Spring, summer, fall, winter. There we go. If I remember, I'll leave a little iCard or a link in the description for the winter unboxing that I did. And if you guys want to check out this box, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But I think that's it for today's video. I'm going to get off here and clean this mess up, and then I've got to do homework. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.